Riri thirikari cia kaunti iragiginyana hari mihaririria magutigirira kaunti-ini yakorwo na itanda 300 cia kuhuthika gutangikira arwaru a COVID-19. Kambuni ya Delmonte ni marikitie kuruguria wondi ya kuiga arwaru a COVID-19 kuria magayanite itanda 3 iri cia thuri na 3 ni cia atumia. Ikinya riri ni gutigirira aruti wira 6,500 ni magia na kundu kwega gwa kurutira wira na oho gutigirira murimu wa COVID-19 ndunatherema makiria kuona kambuni ino makiria ma andu 2,000 maikaraga nyumba-ini iria mahetwo ni kambuni ino undu uria ungicungiriria gutherema kwa murimu wa COVID-19 na njira ya raithi.
More than 2,500 people and their dependents, so it's a community of approximately 10,000 people, so you can imagine how important this facility is going to be. Because as I said before, it is of paramount importance to take measures to prevent the risk of spreading the coronavirus within these communities.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mubango uyu murugamiriri wa kambuni ino oigite mekite o kuhingia watho wa thirikari wa kambuni cia mundu kiumbe gutigirira ni ciagia na kundu gwa kuiga andu keheri-ini kumana na kuongerereka kwa namba ya arwaru a murimu uyu.
Feel the duty to go an extra mile in order to protect the health of our employees. We are the biggest employer, the biggest I think in this area, with 6,500 people in direct employment and another 28,000 people in indirect employment. So you can imagine how we feel the huge responsibility to protect the health of these people.
Mwene-ini wake afida wa Ugima wa Mwiri gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Gatanga Florence Kagweni hindi ya guthurima kana wondi ino ni kinyanire ikiro iria heanitwo ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri ni ekirite mukonde ati gukinyaniria na riu andu 10 kuma kaunti ya Murang'a nio mari na murimu wa COVID-19.
2 have been treated at Magazi Hospital and 3 at KU Teaching and Referral Hospital. Those 5 cases came before the county could reorganize itself into handling the cases.
Haduini Hakameme TV geto Waithira wa Kihara.